Hi, welcome to this video today. What we are going to be looking at is a song about Forex trading written by trading legend Ed Sakota. And the song is coming up, and trust me, it's very, very good. If you're an experienced trader, you'll like it. I found it quite motivational. If you're a new trader, it gives you the 6 golden rules of trading success. Before we get to the song, though, let's just quickly introduce Ed Sakota for those of you who don't know him. He's one of the most famous traders of all time. Turned $5,000 into over $1 million very quickly, then went on to amass a huge fortune. And you know, he's one of those traders I think anyone should read up on. He's one of my personal favourites. And what I like about Sakota is he keeps it simple. He doesn't believe in any of this scientific nonsense. You know, it's all about trading the odds. And he makes a contrast with surfing, which I think is absolutely superb. If you're a surfer, you wait for big waves and you surf them for all they're worth, okay? You have a lot of times you fall off or where waves don't come. You just have to be patient and wait for the big trends. One big trend will pay for a whole lot of losses. And trend following, long-term trend following is one of the best strategies for trading Forex. And yet very few retail traders or small traders use this strategy. Yet, most of the top performing fund managers in the world trend follow. That's telling you something. You should be looking at trend following. And I think, with trend following, it's perfect if you haven't got a lot of time. Because you're looking to grab trends that last for weeks or months or longer, you don't actually have to spend much time on your analysis or looking at prices. 30 minutes a day is enough. And that's perfect if you've got a full-time job. Trend following, it could be a very simple system. It can be based on breakouts. All you have to do is make sure you keep those losses small. You're probably going to have about 70% losers in trend following. But one big trend will not only pay for them, make you a huge amount of money. So rather than me carry on talking about trend following, what I'm going to do now is just play the song. It's called the Whipshaw Song. It's by Ed Sakota and his charity bluegrass band. So I hope you enjoy the song. And there's a lot of wisdom in this. It's very simple and straightforward, but it is the way to achieve trading success in any market. So I hope you enjoy the song. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.
If you are currently in a clinic as a recovering marketaholic, or even if you have a mild case of marketitis, this tune might put you on the road to recovery. In any event, pull up a chair, lean into your monitor, and lend us an ear. We hope that you enjoy the show. You get a whipping, I get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine. Now what do we do when we catch a trend, honey? What do we do when we catch a trend, baby? Well, what do we do when we catch a trend? We ride that trend right to the end, honey trader, baby mine. So you get a whipping, I get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine.
Well, what do we do when we show a loss, honey? What do we do when we show a loss, babe? What do we do when we show a loss? We give that daggone loss a toss, honey, baby mine.
Well, you get a whipping, I get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine.
Well, how do we know when a risk is right, honey? we know when the risk is right, we make a lot of money and we sleep at night. Honey, baby mine.
So you get a whipping, I'll get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine.
Well, what do we do when the price breaks through, honey? What do we do when the price breaks through, baby? What do we do when the price breaks through? Our sauce are in, so there's nothing to do, honey, baby mine.
So you get a whipping, I'll get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine.
What do you do when the drawdown comes, honey? What do you do when it gets real big, babe? What do we do when it's even bigger? We stick to the plan and pull the trigger, honey trader, baby mine.
Well, you get a whipping, I'll get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all, honey trader, baby mine. What do we do with a hot news flash, honey? What do we do with a hot news flash, baby? What do we do with a hot news flash? We stash that flash right in the trash, honey trader, baby mine. So you get a whipping, I'll get a saw, honey. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw, baby. You get a whipping, I'll get a saw. One good trend pays for 'em all.